Hello there, student. Today we are going to make a bus. So let's see what do we have in our book. We see an interesting cuboid bus right here. So at first, let's start seeing the steps and start making it. Yes, let's make 2 long lines and 1 short line. And after that, let's join it together. Yes, we will join them with a slanting line. If you notice, we have a box in the front and another 4-sided shape at the back. Let's make this slowly and nicely. Make 4 dots on the front part and then make this rectangle. Make sure that the edges of this rectangle are a little curved. Give it a beautiful outline. That's lovely. Let's make this section wherein we have the wheels. And then let's start giving intricate details to the window right here. We will start by making these lines which are closer to each other and they keep growing a little bigger and bigger. This is going to be the window section. Let's make it with our scale now so that we don't make a mistake. Erase all the extra lines and start making the door. This looks great. Let's make this design in the front. And then make the wheels. Finally, give it all the finishing touch-ups like this. And then let's make the wheel together. Yes, a bus's wheel is very fat and so we are going to make it fat like this. And look at that, the wheels look very interesting. Let's make its accessories now. And we're almost done with our bus. The next step is to sketch this. By now, you know how to sketch it well, right? So, let's go right on top of the pencil marks and start sketching. Pick up your hand in the middle and sketch this slowly and nicely. You can keep your book however you like and complete the entire sketching. Once we are done sketching the entire picture, we are going to take our eraser and erase all the pencil marks we see. Yes, the extra ones. Let's give this a nice touch up and then start coloring. Well, we require a grayish blue color, for which we are going to take blue color and start coloring very lightly at all these spaces. Color almost the entire bus with this light blue color and then start coloring grey color right on top. This time we will apply pressure and color this grey color properly. Let's color this blue color right on top over here, and here we will do white color. After that, complete coloring this blue color in all such spaces. And then let's take grey color and start coloring right here. We will make these lines so that it looks like a window shield. Blend a dark grey and a light grey color together. And keep this white space in the middle so that it looks like the window reflection. Complete the entire thing in a similar way. And finally, let's do the wheels with black color. If you know, black color is supposed to be done in the end. That is because it is a very dark color and usually smudges. And look, our bus is ready.